Here's a picture of aggression. Here's a picture of aggression. Aggression takes on various forms. Research tells us there are basically three types of aggression in the social structure of things. The first kind is called instrumental, because there's something you want so badly, you are aggressive about getting that thing. You don't mean to do harm to anyone, but they're in your way. Therefore, somebody's going to get hurt because I want that thing. Think of it in the example of a toddler or a preschooler who walks over and grabs a toy away from another child and maybe even pushes them over. Not because there's an aggression toward the other child, but because I want that toy and I want it right now and you're in the way. So that's instrumental aggression. The second kind is hostile. Hostile aggression, meaning I do intend to harm you. You didn't threaten me. You didn't provoke me. I just feel like hitting you. I just feel like kicking you. I feel like threatening you with bodily harm. Okay? I feel hostile toward you. Or actually, maybe I feel hostile toward everybody. You just happen to be there. But I actually do want to put out my aggressive feelings toward some person. The third kind of aggression is relational. It's being hostile in a more or less verbal way, showing aggression more or less verbally, because you want to damage some kind of relationship that one person has with yourself or with other people. There's social exclusion, for instance, where you basically say to someone, go away, you can't be our friend anymore, we aren't going to play with you anymore. Okay, we're excluding you from the group. We're excluding you from our little clique here. That's one way to express this relational hostility. The other is rumor spreading, where instead of talking to the person directly, we don't want to see you anymore, we talk to each other and start spreading the news, the fake news of don't talk to him, he's a weirdo. So, avoid this person. And word starts getting around. Oh yeah, he's a weirdo, for sure. I've never met him, but I heard he's a weirdo. And so you are damaging that person's relationship to other people, either directly or indirectly. And as we all know, and we've all heard plenty of evidence of, these kinds of relational hostilities are now showing up in social media, so it doesn't even have to be directly person to person. It can be kind of like published relational aggression. And that just really magnifies it, because then it can really spread. So, go back and review these three types of aggression, get a good handle on how each one is different in intent and how each one has unique characteristics, and when those kinds of aggression are usually being used. And that will get you more and more ready with some supplemental reading for quizzes that come up along the way.